again, this is not to come at y'all like my lace don't be very much hyper visible as well. I get that, but I'm wearing a closure so there's less lace to be visible. When y'all try to wear frontals, it don't give what it's supposed to have gave. Hey y'all, it's Jaila, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back / welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join all 18,000 of us over here, okay? We lit and bring you hair, beauty, and lifestyle content on this channel. It's time for this conversation again, okay? We are leaving one year and entering the next, and there are some hairstyles that need to stay behind. Don't come with us into this new year. I'm gonna let you know right now, give a little disclaimer. This is just my opinion. If you have a personal connection with one of the hairstyles that I'm about to talk about, please know I'm not trying to offend you. And you're more than welcome to comment about it. Just keep it cute, okay? Because you have a right to free speech and you have a right to an opinion, but I have a right to delete your comment, okay? Okay, let's get right into it. The most egregious, in my opinion, is the frontal. Baby, when I tell you it's time to retire the frontal, it's time to let the 13x6 go. It's time to let the 13x4 go. Anything that goes from ear to ear, we just need to release it. Let it be a thing that we did in the past, but let's not make it a part of our future. By the way, I am recording this video on New Year's Eve, so if you hear a little firework action in the back, Happy New Year, okay? I know the girls love them some frontals, okay? I know y'all do. I'm not one of those girls, and it's not because I think I'm holier than thou. I think I'm better than y'all. I just don't have the hairline for a frontal. My hairline is extremely low on the sides. I don't know if y'all can see, but this is like, these are my edges, okay? So there's no lace that can really go up there. So I was already off the frontal game. I'm just waiting for y'all to catch up. And it's not because frontals don't serve a purpose or have a use. They're really great if you have like a night out, if you have a special event, something where you need to have, you know, the frontal look. Howsoever, it's just way too much lace for day to day. It's way too much lace maintenance for day to day. And let's be honest, the girls are not doing the maintenance, okay? They're not doing the work. So I just think collectively as a unit, we need to transition out of the 13x4s and just go back to our friend 4x4 closures. Hello, 4x4 closures. 4x4s ain't never did us wrong. I don't even know why we stopped wearing 4x4s, but as for me and my household, we will wear a closure. And again, this is not to come at y'all like my lace don't be very much hyper visible as well. I get that, but I'm wearing a closure so there's less lace to be visible. When y'all try to wear frontals, it don't give what it's supposed to have gave. The next hairstyle I need us to ditch in 2022. Let me preface this by saying the hairstyle isn't ugly. It just don't make sense, okay? And it is the braided ponytail with the fluffy edges, okay? Now, you know, I love a good braided ponytail, okay? Plenty of videos where I'm rocking a nice braided ponytail. We respect a braided ponytail in this household. What we don't really get, however, fluffy edges, right? And by fluffy, I mean, y'all are taking heat to your well, first of all, they're not at your edges. Y'all are leaving out significant amounts of hair, calling them edges, and then curling them with a curling iron. I would personally like to know who to blame for this hairstyle. Like, please point the finger and tell me who started this hairstyle. It was probably cute for that person's birthday dinner. Howsoever, like, what is the functional use and purpose of having that much hair out that you're putting heat on and calling an edge? That is not an edge. I hate that for us. I genuinely hate that for us. And again, not calling it ugly, very much cute, very much giving Instagram baddie. Why are we fabricating that much edge? I just would not like for us to do it anymore. This next style, I don't have a problem with the actual style, but I do have a problem with the way that it's being executed. And this next style that we need to ditch in 2022 is the V-part wig or the thin part wig with no leave out. Now, if you don't know what a V-part wig is, it's essentially, think of like a U-part wig where you have a wig construction, but your leave out is in the shape of a U. So you have enough hair to kind of blend with the weave. So it looks really natural because you don't have lace that you have to melt down or anything. It's your natural hairline or your hair right here. It looks a lot more natural, right? So the V-part wig is supposed to be a twist on the U-part wig where the amount of leave out that you have to leave, the amount of leave out is significantly reduced because instead of having a big U shape, it's just a V shape. Okay, so obviously you have a lot less hair that you need to leave out. Howsoever, these companies have been advertising that you can wear it with little to no leave out, And when they said little to no leave out, they lied, because you need little leave out. You can never wear it with no leave out and make it look good. I'm sorry. I follow a lot of wig companies, okay? I see a lot of the wig videos. Never have I ever seen a V-part wig without leave out that looks good. Now, the minimal leave out, I've seen people leave like just like a millimeter of leave out, and it looks amazing. It looks so realistic, so natural, and I really love the fact that even the concept of like a thin part wig has come out. Now, I believe that the people who came up with this concept is a Black owned brand, if I'm not mistaken. It's called Innovative Wigs and Weaves. I think that's who they are. I think they are the ones that came out with the patented concept of a thin part wig. So first of all, shout out to Black owned businesses. I think that's an amazing concept, but I do not think that we should be telling people that you can wear it with no leave out at all, because I don't think that's true. I do have a video in which I made my own V-part wig. May or may not come out, but I've done talk trash about them now, so it may never come out. But yeah, the next hairstyle that we're leaving in 2022. Wow, I'm really coming for the wig girls today. I'm so sorry, but I have on a wig, so y'all know I am a part of y'all, okay? I've been coming for the wig girls today. But the next hairstyle that I know we're not gonna leave in 2021, but I wish we would, Microlinks. Before y'all get y'all panties in a bunch, Microlinks absolutely give, okay? Beautiful. So I'm not saying that it's not cute. I'm just saying, like, all your hair is out. And most of the people that I've seen, they get straight Microlinks. So all your hair is out, and you have to constantly put heat on your entire head. I'm just trying to think of the sustainability of the style, okay? So what happens 6 months down the road when you have so much heat damage that your hair is like breaking off? If you are a hairstylist and you are like, or you're Microlink down and you are like team Microlink, can y'all just, you know, show me some before and after pics as far as like the transformation over time of what your hair is going to look like if you have to put heat on your hair dang near every day just to make it blend with your bundles? At least with like U parts and stuff like that, the damage is localized in one place, right? You are only damaging your leave out section. For that reason, I feel like we should, you know. The next style, this one's for the men, okay? This one is for the men. I'm coming for the men because I'm an equal opportunity roaster. Y'all know when Drake came out with that album called Certified Lover Boy, and he posted that picture with that heart in his head? Y'all should let him be the only person to do that. Like, it was cute because like it went with the whole aesthetic. It went with his whole theme, his vibe. I don't think the rest of y'all need a heart in y'all head. Now, however, I said this one was strictly for the men folks because my sisters have been killing the heart game, okay? With the heart braids. I think that's one of the best trends of 2021 is the heart braids, okay? So shout out to y'all for co-opting the Drake movement. More hearts and braids. I feel like all the little girls are just living their dreams because nothing's cuter than having your braids braided in the shape of a heart. That's amazing. My men folk or anybody who, you know, has a nice little fade, I need y'all not to get that heart part. This is the last one, okay? This is the last one that I'm gonna diss, and then I'm gonna give y'all some hairstyles that I think we need to continue in 2022 because they were very much giving. But the last one that we need to stop is that Coi Leray hairstyle. I can't say too much about it. Like, I kind of know what it looks like because I kind of know what Coi Leray looks like. Yeah, I saw it pop up too much on my YouTube feed and I was just like sick of it. So I just think we should altogether stop. I think that we should just let trends be trends and let that one be a trend in 2021 and not bring that one into 2022. I done talked enough stuff. Okay, I got it all out, got it all off my chest. Now, here are some hairstyles that I think that we should absolutely continue doing. I already said the braid heart, like the heart braid heart. Yes, continue that. Give it to me. Another thing that I think we should continue, micro locks. Now, I know micro locks are not a new concept, but I've just been seeing them a lot more in 2021. So micro locks are very, very small locks. I've seen a lot of people get their micro locks started with 2-strand twists, and they're just so pretty, y'all. They are so pretty. I'm gonna get locks one day. I don't know when, but I'm gonna lock up one day. But micro locks especially, I felt like we're on the rise in 2021 and I need us to continue. The next hairstyle that we need to continue doing in 2022 are butterfly locks. I'm just a lock girl, but I feel like butterfly locks are so pretty. And I know that butterfly locks started a couple years ago, but I just feel like they are never gonna go out of style. I did go ahead and attempt butterfly locks. I'll go ahead and link my video right here or up above or in the description box below. It's one of the fastest protective styles I've ever done. So that's also really nice. And they are cute on everybody, like different age groups, different demographics. No, like when I say demographics, I don't mean like demographics, I mean like age groups, okay? But yes, we need to definitely continue butterfly locks. Hairstyle that I think we should continue into infinity and beyond are straight crochet hairstyles. I've been seeing a lot more people wear straight crochet hairstyles or kinky straight crochet hairstyles. Like once we master the straight crochet hairstyle, I think it'll be a really nice alternative to wigs or doing frontals or doing sew-ins. I love seeing us use hair that looks like ours. So a lot of the people that I see doing straight crochet hairstyle, they get a kinky straight hair or they get a hair that has some texture to it, so it just looks more realistic. That will definitely be a hairstyle that I attempt in 2022. Let me know if you want to see that process on my YouTube channel. Let me know, comment down below. And the last hairstyle that we have to keep with us, like we have to keep it alive, are straight backs. Now y'all know I finally figured out how to do straight backs, like, and feed in weave on my hair. I'm not gonna say they made a comeback because straight backs have never gone out of style, never, ever, ever. And I just been loving straight backs more. I think I want to try so many different styles. I want to do really small straight backs. I want to try so many different colors. Like, we just have to keep the straight backs alive. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Again, keep it cute because it's just a hairstyle, but I do want to hear your opinion. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also like this video so YouTube can share with other people, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Happy New Year. Bye y'all.